Hi, to change video resolution on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we will need to simply open camera first. And now we are in a photo mode, so let's switch to the video just by swiping left. And now you can see this upper panel with many features, but we are interested in this one, which is for video resolution. So now it is Full HD at 30 FPS, and if we tap it, we'll be able to switch to another option. You can switch to HD at 30 FPS, Full HD at 60 FPS, and this is Ultra HD at 30 FPS, which is for smoothest videos. And to save the changes, simply tap this icon once more or it will disappear by its own, and you can start video just by pressing this button. You can also stop it and resume later and finish recording just by tapping the square icon. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.